The BMW iX3 can be charged with up to 150 kilowatts at a high-power DC charging station. High-power charging facilities can be useful during a journey when charging needs to go fast. You can charge with maximum charging capacity and speed when the battery's state of charge is low, the system is on operating temperature, and the charging settings, which can be found by going to Car, Plan Charging Climate, Settings, DC settings, are set to automatic or not limited. Choose automatic or limited to reduce noise emissions while charging. You can set a target state of charge in the same charge settings menu. High-power charging at public charging stations is only recommendable up to a state of charge of 80%, as the remaining time to charge up to 100% is significantly longer. Make sure that the DC charging station you wish to use offers high-power charging with sufficient charging power. The specified charging power a charging station can theoretically provide can be higher or lower than the charging power the vehicle can be charged with. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.